This is how to change the cabin air filter in your Chevy Trailblazer. To start off, open up the glove box right here, and then you'll see as it slides down, there is this latching mechanism right on the side. You want to pop that off, so just go ahead and push it over, and then it'll pop off like that. And then the next thing you're looking for is on both sides, there's this piece and then this piece. You need to just push in right here. And again, on this side, you need this one to unlatch. And so here, just push in on the side, and then the glove box will drop down. The next thing, this is where the cabin air filter is. It has a latch right here and a latch right here. So just pinch, and then pinch on this side, and then this will pop right off. This is where your cabin air filter is. You can see it right here. And to remove it, just slide the air filter out. And then once you have the new one, take it and slide the new air filter in. Make sure that when you put the new air filter in, you have the airflow arrows pointing down just like this. Now to close it back up, take this piece and you want to line it back up and then press it in and press it in on this side, and now it's latched back in. Then you close the glove box up, just push it up right here, and those pieces will slide back in. There they are. So now they're latched. And then the last piece that we need to connect is right here. So take this and line it back up right there. This part can be a little bit tricky, so I just suggest taking like a popsicle stick or a screwdriver or something and then pressing right here. And now it's latched back on. And since it's put back together, just close it, and that's how you change the filter. Let me know if you have any questions.